Here's the exact way to recover deleted comments on Facebook. First of all, go to your Facebook and log into the Facebook account. Now tap this hamburger menu, tap on Settings and Privacy, and go to your Facebook settings. In Facebook settings, tap on Account Center. In Account Center, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Tap on Export Your Information. In here, tap on Create Export and choose where you want to export. I'm selecting Export to Device. Tap on Notify and add here email address to get notified when your file is ready to download. Tap on Save, then tap on Customize Information. Tap on Clear All. Now scroll down and select Comments and Reactions. Then tap on Save, tap on Date Range, and now select here a date range to recover your deleted comments. For example, if you want to recover deleted comments, those comments you deleted in past 30 days, so you can choose here last month. So in my case, I'm selecting here last 3 months, for example, and tapping on Save. And now all you have to need, just tap on Start Export. Now verify your Facebook account password. After doing this, you have to wait few hours, up to 3 days. After your once your file is ready to download, you get a notifications on your Facebook. Also, you get a notification on your email, or you can open the same settings, and in their page you get the download link. Just download the file, then unzip or extract the file from your file manager app, and then open the comments file, and in the comments file you will find all your Facebook comments, including all your deleted comments. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.